Welcome to Magic English for you.
Your best option.
Present continuous. Affirmative sentences. I am doing.
Generalmente se refiere a situaciones o acciones que se están realizando al momento en que se habla. También expresan eventos o acciones del futuro, acciones momentáneas o situaciones que suceden con frecuencia. Todos los verbos deben terminar en in.
Structure. Subject plus verb to be plus verb in gerund plus complement. Examples: I'm driving to work.
I'm driving to work.
I'm driving to work.
You're working hard.
You're working hard.
You're working hard.
He's trying to work.
He's trying to work.
He's trying to work.
She's having a shower.
She's having a shower.
She's having a shower.
It's raining hard.
It's raining hard.
It's raining hard.
The sun is rising.
The sun is rising.
The sun is rising.
I'm reading a good book.
I'm reading a good book.
I'm reading a good book.
We're learning Russian.
We're learning Russian.
We are learning Russian.
He's building his own house.
He's building his own house.
He's building his own house.
Christina is talking on the phone.
Christina is talking on the phone.
Christina is talking on the phone.
I'm working hard today.
I'm working hard today.
I'm working hard today.
She's starting to enjoy her new job.
She's starting to enjoy her new job.
She's starting to enjoy her new job.
He's eating fried chicken.
He's eating fried chicken.
He's eating fried chicken.
She's brushing her teeth.
She's brushing her teeth.
She's brushing her teeth.
Rose is reading her messages.
Rose is reading her messages.
Rose is reading her messages.
The taxi is coming.
The taxi is coming.
The taxi is coming.
I'm having dinner.
I'm having dinner.
I'm having dinner.
It's getting dark.
It's getting dark.
It's getting dark.
You're listening to the radio.
You're listening to the radio.
You are listening to the radio.
She's doing her homework.
She's doing her homework.
She's doing her homework.
I am wearing a beautiful dress.
I am wearing a beautiful dress.
I am wearing a beautiful dress.
He's playing football.
He's playing football.
He's playing football.
You're playing in the park.
You're playing in the park.
You are playing in the park.
She's dancing in the disco.
She's dancing in the disco.
She's dancing in the disco.
I'm eating an apple.
I'm eating an apple.
I'm eating an apple.
They're waiting for a bus.
They're waiting for a bus.
They're waiting for a bus.
He is sitting on the floor.
He is sitting on the floor.
He is sitting on the floor.
We're having breakfast.
We're having breakfast.
We're having breakfast.
She is knitting a scarf.
She is knitting a scarf.
She is knitting a scarf.
I'm cooking in the kitchen.
I'm cooking in the kitchen.
I'm cooking in the kitchen.
Somebody is swimming in the pool.
Somebody is swimming in the pool.
Somebody is swimming in the pool.
We are waiting at the restaurant.
We are waiting at the restaurant.
We are waiting at the restaurant.
I'm ironing my clothes.
I'm ironing my clothes.
I'm ironing my clothes.
I'm tidying up my room.
I'm tidying up my room.
I'm tidying up my room.
I'm working in my office.
I'm working in my office.
I'm working in my office.
They are eating at the restaurant.
They are eating at the restaurant.
They are eating at the restaurant.
I am studying for the test.
I am studying for the test.
I am studying for the test.
You're traveling to Colombia.
You're traveling to Colombia.
You're traveling to Colombia.
She's writing a good novel.
She's writing a good novel.
She's writing a good novel.
The cat is playing with a ball.
The cat is playing with a ball.
The cat is playing with a ball.
I am drinking a refreshing drink.
I am drinking a refreshing drink.
I am drinking a refreshing drink.
You're painting a picture.
You're painting a picture.
You're painting a picture.
She's talking to her friend.
She's talking to her friend.
She's talking to her friend.
Laura's looking for a job.
Laura's looking for a job.
Laura's looking for a job.
It is starting to drizzle.
It is starting to drizzle.
It is starting to drizzle.
It's snowing.
It's snowing.
It's snowing.
Peter is telling the truth.
Peter is telling the truth.
Peter is telling the truth.
I am feeling relaxed.
I am feeling relaxed.
I am feeling relaxed.
He is programming.
He is programming.
He is programming.
I am playing the piano.
I am playing the piano.
Thanks
For watching.